Ready to unlock the quickest and easiest way to manage your crypto directly within Telegram. First, make sure you have the Telegram app installed and updated on your device. It's available for both iOS and Android. Next, open Telegram and use the search bar at the top to find the official Telegram wallet bot. Type in wallet and select the verified result, which should have a blue checkmark next to the name. Tap Start at the bottom of the chat to initiate the bot. Now, you'll see a menu of options. Select Open Wallet to proceed. You'll be prompted to accept the terms of service. Carefully read through them, and if you agree, tap Accept. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Telegram wallet. You can now view your cryptocurrency balances, including Toncoin, Bitcoin, and USDT. To start using your wallet, you can explore options like buy, sell, send, and receive to manage your crypto. For example, tapping Receive will generate a QR code and wallet address you can share to receive cryptocurrency. That's it. You can now seamlessly send and receive crypto directly within Telegram. Be sure to explore the other features of your new wallet. Subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.